Hello students, today in this video we are going to discuss a new topic, a new branch of mathematics. It is known as your mensuration. The word is mensuration. What does it mean? It means the mathematics which deals with the area of given figure, perimeter of given figure, and problems based on these two topics, perimeter and area. So you may ask that sir, what is perimeter? Perimeter means boundary. Perimeter means your boundary. So what is boundary? Boundary is the length, total length, not only length, total length of the circumference. Circumference, your boundary, your perimeter, all these three words are same. They represent, suppose we have a figure look like this one. Clear? So question asked you what is the perimeter. So finding the perimeter, we start the measurement of length from one vertices A to B, then C, then D, then E, and then again from E to A, means starting from this place and end from this place. This is the place. The total length of boundary is known as your perimeter. Generally, in mathematics, first we discussed about some figures having boundary as a straight line. For example, your rectangle, square, triangle, all these are the polygons having some sides. So let's start how we find different perimeters of different polygons. First is your perimeter of rectangle. The first is rectangle. Always remember that in case of mensuration, while solving the word problem or any problem, you must draw the figure first. Then you must write down the given things. Then write down the formula used by you and then solve it. You have to follow these steps, otherwise your marks may be reduced from the solution. So perimeter of rectangle, first see what is rectangle. I am drawing the figure this side. If the longest side is your L and smaller side is your B, length and breadth, this is your length, this is your breadth, then what is the formula of perimeter of rectangle? It's 2 into length plus breadth. How this come into picture? As we know that in case of rectangle, the opposite sides are equal to each other. So this is your length, this is your length. Clear? And this is your breadth, this is your breadth. Maybe sound is echoing because room is empty, so please avoid it. Let me, after some time, I open the window. Clear? So what I told you that come to the point. What I told you that perimeter is the sum of all the sides. So L plus B plus L plus B. Then we reach up to this point. We start from this point, L, B, L, and then B. So what we have? L plus 2L, so 2 into L, 2B, so 2 into B. So this is the formula of perimeter of rectangle. Now our new part is your square. As we know that in square we have all sides equal. This is the picture of square. Here all sides equal. We can say A. So sum of all sides is your 4A. So in case of square, perimeter of square equals to 4A or 4 into side, because we know that all sides are equal to each other. Clear? 4 into sides. In case of triangle, we simply add the all the sides given to you. But there is a special type of triangle. It is known as your equilateral triangle. Means having all sides equal to each other. It's an equilateral triangle. So formula of this is your 3 into sides, because we know that in triangle we have 3 sides, and in equilateral triangles all sides are equal. So only for equilateral triangle 3 into side is the formula for finding the perimeter. Clear? Then there are some more polygons. Before we discuss more, there is a word named regular. Regular. In mathematics, this signifies that all sides having equal length. In mensuration, it signifies that all sides having equal length. Regular pentagon. There must be a word regular pentagon. So what is the meaning of regular pentagon? Regular pentagon, as we know that pentagon means a polygon having 5 sides. Likewise, all the sides are equal, same measurement, though it's not look like equal, but we assume that these are equal. So in case of regular pentagon, 5 into side. So similarly, regular hexagon is there, having regular heptagon, regular octagon, whatever it is, regular means equal. So all these things you must remember the concept of perimeter, then formula of perimeter, and use in word problem. Suppose there is a figure look like this one. This one, and measurement given to you. Clear? Suppose I am using some 8. It is your 3. This one is 3. This one is 3. And this is your 9. This is your 9. Question says to you that find out the perimeter of this figure. So for this you have to add all the sides given to you. Something is given, some is missing. Which one is missing? This one is missing. As we see that this is a rectangle, so opposite sides are equal to each other. So 8 plus 8 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 9 plus 9. You have to add and find out the perimeter. Let's discuss some more problem. In this question says that find the perimeter. Simply question gives you find the perimeter of a triangle having sides 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter. Okay, in this case, how you find? So first, this is the question. Okay, now in solution, why I am writing all question and solution? Because I have to teach you that how to write solution in mensuration. First, we draw the figure, write down the sides. This is not the exact figure. Need not to draw the exact figure, but figure must represent the question. Clear? Suppose this is your 3 centimeter, you must write down 4 centimeter and 5 centimeter. So what is the area of triangle? You must give the name A, B, C. So in this case, area of, give the symbol triangle A, B, C. What we know? In this case, we don't have formula because their sides are different. So simply write down AB plus BC plus CA. Clear? AB, BC and CA. So what is the AB? AB is your 3 centimeter plus BC 5 centimeter plus CA 4 centimeter. It's a 3, 5, 8 for 12 centimeter. Always remember that you must mention the unit, and unit is your centimeter. If there is any mismatch, means this is centimeter, this is millimeter, if it is given to you, you have to make the unit same, then you have to solve it. We will discuss these things in coming problems. So likewise you have to solve. If question says that the perimeter of a triangle of an equilateral triangle it's an equilateral triangle having side, triangle of side 10 centimeter. Clear? So first in your solution, only for these two questions I am writing the question, otherwise I am not writing the questions. First we have to draw an equilateral triangle look like a structure. Give the side 10 centimeter, 10 centimeter and 10 centimeter. Name of triangle, give A, B, C or P, Q or whatever you want. Perimeter of equilateral triangle what we know, it's a 3 equals to 3 into side, and if we say 3, what is the side? Side is 10, 30 centimeter. This is your solution. So all of you solve this type of problems. Let's discuss some more problem. Now, our next question says that you must listen this question very carefully, otherwise you are unable to understand. A lid of a rectangular box of side 40 centimeter by 10 centimeter. This question says that there is a rectangular box having a cover, having a lid with a measurement 40 centimeter and 10 centimeter, and it is a rectangular. So what does the figure look like? This is your 40 centimeter, this is your 10 centimeter, 40 centimeter by 10 centimeter, and this box is sealed all around with a tape. What is the length of tape required? Sealed all around means what? That lid, suppose this part is lid, so it is covered. Now we have to seal all around, means from this part, this part, this part and this part, only the lid. So in this case we find out the perimeter and that is our answer. So what we write here, length is given, length equals to, always remember length is always longest side. Then breadth we have 10 centimeter. Length means what? L. Breadth means B. So what is the perimeter of rectangle is equals to 2 into L plus B. This one. L represent length, B represent breadth. So what is the length? It's a 2 into in bracket 40 plus 10. It's a 2 into 50 and this is your 100. So what is the unit? 100 centimeter. So this is your answer. Likewise to solve. First write down what is given to you. Draw the figure what is given to you and then write down the formula and place the values to get the solution. And now I am going to discuss today's last question. In this question it is says that there is a piece of land having length 0.7 kilometer. Remember, there is a rectangular piece of land having length 0.7 kilometer and breadth is your 0.5 kilometer. This one is 0.5 kilometer. Question says that this piece of land, many of you have a plot or piece of land and you have to fence it. So this piece of land fenced by 4 rows of wire. 4 times, not 4 times we fence it. So what is the total length of wire required? First we find out the perimeter and that perimeter is the length of 1 time fence and there are 4 times, so we find out the product of perimeter with 4. So let's start. First length is given to us. We must check that units are same or not. Yes, units are same. It's a 0.7 kilometer and breadth unit is your 0.5 kilometer. Clear? Now move to the next part. Perimeter of rectangle. You must check whether we are written over some mistake or not. Perimeter of rectangle, and this one is equals to 2 into L plus B. This is the formula. Now in this case, what is the formula? 2 into length is your 0.7. Remember the digit, 0.5 is your breadth. So what we have? We have 2 into 12, 1.2. It is your 2.4 kilometer. This is the perimeter of the rectangle. But question says that total length of wire equals to 4 into perimeter, because we are fencing with 4 rows. 4 into perimeter. So what is the perimeter? 4 into 2.4. It's a 16. 6 1 carry 4 to the 8 1 9. 9.6 kilometer. Check whether there is a mistake or not. If there is a mistake, you must mention in comments part. So that's all for this video. In next video we discuss some more problems. Thanks.